Mag-speech daw siya. Ulitin ko yan. Which is ito nga.
Bansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Laki ang himno ng Kalamba.
Senya Gwinnett C. Cepeda, Division School Press Conference Collaborative Desktop Publishing Overall Team Champion, Editorial Writing Champion, Editorial Cartooning 4th Place, Regional Schools Press Conference Newspapering Editorial Page Top 10, Meritorious Award in Campus Journalism, May Mataas na Karangalan. Kena Marie D. Cornejo, huwarang mag-aral sa pag-uugali, may mataas na karangalan. Grace Ann L. De Los Reyes, Regional Schools Press Conference Online Publishing 8th Place, National Schools Press Conference Newspapering Editorial Page National Qualifier.